Well, hello and welcome to another edition of Magic Words. I'm your host, Jonas Cain, and today we're talking about the first E in the 5 E's of positive influence. And this E is so important, which is why it's number 1. It's engage. And this has 2 important things to consider. One is for ourselves, and the other point is for when we're working with others. For ourselves, to employ the magic word engage, it reminds us to be invested fully in what we're doing. Instead of sitting on the shore and dangling our feet in the water, it asks us to jump into the water and be all in, to be engaged in flow state in what we're doing. Now, in regards to working with others, it asks us to be engaging, to build a bridge of connection. It reminds us that before we ask someone for a hand, we have to ask for the heart. And in so doing, we're able to become engaging, to co-create positive experiences with others. Until next time, my name is Jonas Cain. Stay positive.
I hope you're enjoying this series of videos. Please be sure to leave a comment and share this video so that others can benefit from it as well. And as always, if you have something you'd like to share with me personally, you may email me at jonas@positivitymagic.com.